In 1988, Tomy released their mechanical tabletop flight combat simulator called topshotpilot. This one is the 2-speed fighter plane simulator version, which allows us to fly over realistic landscapes, has a fire button, a fuel gauge, a throttle control, refueling and takeoff, a joystick to maneuver our plane to lock onto enemy targets, and a score counter and reset button. Reviewing Tomy's self-contained electronic cockpit game, it appears to be in great condition with all of the factory decals present, including this two-way switch which selects the game speed. So let's open it up, fix what we need to, clean and review this Eagle Squadron Top Shot Pilot. The instructions introduce your training for your dangerous mission. The first diagram illustrates that it runs on 4 C-cell batteries, whilst the second confirms operational instructions and a caution about batteries and their customer service centre, which is now an industrial estate on the south coast of England. On the cockpit display, there are 80 individual gauges, which include height, speed, direction, input and output controls. On the left, we have some dates and 2 analog dials, both set as 0. And on the right side, we have more dates with what appears to be a bearing indicator, and whatever these are. On our controls dashboard, we have energy, some sort of radar, a counter with a star, a reset button, and a keypad with 3 minus keys. The joystick spins our fighter jet left and right. On the top, we have a fire button, a fuel, off and on shifter. We also have some detachable wings, however, this one is missing its afterburner decal. Let's give it a quick clean, make a replacement afterburner decal, and add 4 C-cell batteries to see it in action. Taking a closer look, the scenery is cast onto this white projection screen via this backlit scrolling transparency, and sliding the speed switch makes the scenery move nearly twice as fast. So let's open it up, see how it works, and clean up these marks from the projector screen. Now we know how the upper part of the topshotpilot works, let's delve further and investigate the mechanisms which spins the plane, fires, and how it detects enemy direct hits. the side of the transparency there are 3 tracks, and rolling the transparency further we can see 2 stadium-shaped cutouts. This one inversely relates to the enemy plane on the right, whilst this cutout relates to the enemy plane on the left. And rolling the transparency further, we have this cutout on the middle track, which relates to this partially hidden enemy plane. And looking at this pin, it drops down into the cutout when aligned with the correct track, which confirms the joystick is in the right location. So let's put the case back on, fit the wings and joystick, and play our very first game of Top Shot Pilot. Tomy topshotpilot wasn't just a toy, it was a showcase of clever mechanical design. Its precision and uniqueness made it stand out, teaching kids that skill mattered as much as play. Today, it reminds us of an era when innovation was hands-on and toys inspired imagination. More than a collectible, it's a symbol of creativity and the joy of discovery.